Reure. His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto Dakiri Okori of the US of A. Yes. Nwe adu aro ogoro ni mara hore adu oko. Ne momuanete. Yo ya samami kuri atori na kuri yariri.
Ne the nathi.
To giana to go diko muonari. Eto haleria girima ngana matatu. Besa cia Kenya.
Andå aingä tumĩte rũgongo rĩ.
Yes.
Twĩciragia bũrũri ta America ũigana Kenya.
No. It's vast.
Bũrũri ũcio nĩ mwariĩ.
Like this Atlanta yenyewe ti nini. Yes. Texas is huge.
Ĩyo na nĩ nene gũkĩra Kenya.
Yes. And it's a state of Texas.
Rĩu coke ongerere other state.
Yes. Rĩu kũria mũndũ nĩ mũtũngire mũgathe. Eta kũria mũndũ wĩ Rwanda kana atũngire mũndũ kaunange ga Kenya. And of course you're still on the protocol. Yes, the itinerary. Yes. The state visit. Na nĩ ararota iria rĩriko. Tondũ ĩno nĩ state visit.
Ĩyo nĩ state visit.
Yes.
Rĩu ona host no nginya agakĩmũtuga na njĩra igwete.
Yes. Ona ũtuĩka handũ nake arathire mahenya kidogo. Ha kũragio ciũria. No nyingĩ ciraragĩra haigoti-inĩ.
Isi andũ arĩa rĩ.
Yes.
They are very thorough.
Yes.
Makĩmenya nĩ mekũmwĩta kana makĩmenya nĩ mekũmũhonji rĩ. They have done a lot of background research.
A lot of it.
Na makamenya the burning issues kũndũ gũkũ.
Yes. Nĩ acokerio kaũndũ karĩa rauga rĩu ona ndagĩtwo Sakayo ri. No ngũharũrũka. Na acoka aracemania na mũthaki wĩho wa basketball wĩigana Irimũ.
Ũcio nake nĩ mũraihu.
Acio tũtieciragia Shaquille O'Neal nĩ mũraihu. To tũmuonaga maita maingĩ aikarĩte kĩ?
Aikaire thĩ.
Na tũthiĩ twamũthimithania na mũndũ.
Mũndũ tũĩ.
Yes. Nĩ aratũmire president witũ ahana tarĩ mũndũ mũkuhĩ. Nĩ aratũmire rĩu ahana Sakayo watu.
Pio.
That fella is tall.
Ni muraya.
Yes. Na kuuliza my friend kwa sababu mimi ni mtu nasoma maandiko sana. Kuna mtu kwa maandiko anaitwa Goliath. Na wale wa Filisti.
Yana wadi. Dera cia Goliath.
Wewe wale wa Filisti nasikia walikuwa watu wakubwa. Na kuna mmoja alikuwa anaitwa Goliath. Sasa wewe you're too short, man. You're too short, man. I'm Shaquille O'Neal. Yeah, know what I'm talking about. Hi, my friend. Wewe sasa unavaa ukuje kule Kenya.
Kumurorothio kireta kurora itara.
Neta kurora mulika mwizi. Why the first lady is slightly shorter? No, he was dwarfing them. Magero kama na timo na no ezike.
Na wa hianyu.
Magero na ya no ezike kwetiri mietiri. You know what, some Kenyans and the US have got that heavy accent. Yes. Ko arieta maumaga. Na mageria go tweng. No iguaga urugongo ri okay.
Urio thiini wake.
Ramuga ala begin by truly appreciating you. First of all, Your Excellency, let me ask kindly about the taxes and issue that has been, I've been burdening the most of Kenyans. Are you going to put in infrastructures?
And tax holidays.
Tax holidays on the tax moratorium. The tax moratoriums.
Ukamenya ucio umukuruine.
Kidu.
Kare othe.
Okay, well, let me first begin by introducing myself. I'm Charlie. I come from the state of Seattle, Washington, Seattle. Come on, you're I live here with my family, and collectively we have been here for around 16 years, and we are really excited that you are straight faced. So if you allow me to start by questioning you on the issue of the floodings that you experienced. Disaster play for example.
Isagaki Maragua.
Isagaki Maragua. Ikodo.
Iko daddy.
Iko. Well, most people call me Mulay, but I'm Mulady. I hail from the Clown Highlands of Chomo. Don't know if you have heard of Chomo. Yes, it's the Highlands of Kataga. Not my first question. No, I have a bit out of house. Your Excellency, I want to first of all appreciate you for coming, and I can say that I'm really excited about your visit here, and I want to say that I want to raise a few issues by your arm with Pulo. Pulo. I say what? So I want to just ask you about economics and I always say a good issue about us or no burdening of the citizens. They have to really work on it. My friend.
Na kama utaweza
Puris
utumie lugha ya taifa,
taifa lile ulilotoka, sio la huku,
itakuwa bora zaidi.
Well, I was just trying to analogize and bring it to the mainstream new, so you understand what I'm saying. Sasa wewe sasa bana.
Hiyo.
Taongea Kiswahili sasa. Unajua sasa wewe And you know you cannot blame the president because English is not his primary Rodiomi. Yes.
Na no na ke no mu polling station ni guthoma primary.
No maina polling station na vaccination center.
Uga ndo atumaire polling station dile.
Yes.
He ni nge henyo ngitutwara.
Yes. Actually no cio ni mwega. Kwa turatumite mundu ta toy uma okuruci-ini ri.
Baba yao.
Yes. And I like to ask you a few questions, please kindly. I fed no ID to. Ate? Ate nini? Ate? Ay, gwadi bibi. Ay.
Ebu reza tena.
Gwadi bibi. Ala ate karogo. I think the president was just, breaking the ice. He had.
Ando igiro ke mari to here.
Mike Sonko. Ongea Kiswahili bwana. Ongea Msukubiki.
Wewe Mkenya.
Msukubiki. Kana Moses yule wadha na Mombasa. Hivyo vizungu vingi hivyo havifai. Kizungu is not our.
Kiono tukiaragia hanini kugeria hii.
Yes.
But it's not our primary language.
And it's neither a measure of intelligence. Ona andu aria tureirwo rugongori. Tukiona movies cia thungu ri. Nituthiaga remote ri tugathi hari ha subtitles. To hakiri cia kwithingithengania na uria thungu cio marakatia.
Mararia.
Kwaja riu hoka argument ni magutigaga. I'm asking, tax moratoriums, what are you going to be doing about them? Are you going to put in place measures to execution? Ate kusani apira hapa. Sasa vipi Kizungu yangu ya kuandika ni vizuri, lakini
ikikuja ni kasi.
ya kuongea sasa hii ya kuandika digere. Kalau tumekawa jiko.
But of course.
Lily. Let me first, Lily, fly to expound Lily, surely.
You got a tax.
You see, tax Lily.
Use KLA.
Kono ungeni kurituhira kamande mu Afrika. Kamu kayore. Veja dong.
Again.
Andon. Launda. Forium.
Nĩ hakũritũha kidogo.
Ũngĩ ũtana maũndũ mau rĩrĩa mathomeire gũkũ wa KJ. KJ no mang'eng'ane ya Nairobi governor
Sakaja.
Yes, Saks. Huyo anatatoboa hiyo nini. Lakini kuna ngori wezi wekelea kina mheshimiwa Mwago
na Bazenga.
Ai. Hapana. Babue. Yes. Toacio na rũgongo rwa kwao ri. Kĩũndũ kĩu nĩ makiri. Yes. Eta watera wa kwanyuria wa gwĩthamba magũrũ.
Mũbunge witũ etagwo Mũgo. Nawe nĩ doctor. We no ang'eng'ane.
No ang'eng'ane. Ona kĩhũngi. Ũtuĩka no enyere hani.
Tondũ nake no mũ polling station.
Mo polling station. Champina no arue.
Jesi jike ya rũgongo rĩ.
Yes.
Mangĩ prefer ciũrie cia kwandĩkĩrwo.
Yes, please.
Handũ ha kũrio na kanua.
And get me right. I said English is not a measure of
intelligence.
Yes. No he gĩthũngũ kĩngĩkũhĩtũka.
Ĩyo no kĩũĩ rĩ. He gĩthũngũ kĩngĩkwenyerio nawe.
Yes. Yo sole.
Wow.
Tondũ menyona mĩtamũkĩre ĩyo ya ciugo rĩ. Iyo mĩtamũkĩre kĩrĩa ũĩ.
Ona matihakanagia ciugo. Nĩguo tuga I am very pleased today to be here and I am going to be addressing. No, answer please be here. I'm going to be addressing a few issues of the year. I want you.
Oh, nĩkĩ arauga.
Hakania. No thika hora.
Police.
Ĩtha inyanya na 37.
Yes.